Everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So the video today is on this 2003 Mercedes CLK 240 engine. Doesn't really matter. What's the problem? The roof is on fire. Right. Right, the roof doesn't work at all. Now this car is for sale somewhere. And when they came to sell the car, they realized the roof was not working. I don't know, obviously it was working before. I don't know if it was working when they initially got the car and in the meantime it stopped. I don't have that background. All I know is the roof doesn't work. Now, let me show you exactly what the car does. So let me actually start the engine. Okay, so when I press, at the moment I have all the windows closed, everything is closed. So when I press the button to open, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but you're going to hear a click at the back. Okay, have you heard that click? And then we get that message. Okay, and I'm keep pressing and the button just starts, the light just starts flashing and nothing happens. If I press now to close, I can hear the hydraulics going or something along those lines at the back, and no faults, no nothing. So it's literally just when I'm trying to open the roof. So I hear that it says in operation. Sorry, I failed to show you. So let me, I've got to close again and I can hear that sort of humming noise coming from the hydraulics. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it. Probably not. Let me put it there. See if you can hear it. Don't know. Okay, so don't know if you guys could hear that. And obviously it looks like just finished the closing sequence. Now I'm gonna press to open. So top in operation and then top visit workshop. And I hear those two sort of disengaging of something at the back. Now, a quick thing, guys, I've checked already if this would be something to do with the shelf in the boot. For you guys that have one of these knows that is not, because if the shelf in the boot is not in place, it actually comes up with a warning there about the shelf. So I've already checked that, so it's not that. So let's gonna plug the maxi Cs first and see what that tells us. Okay, so let's go and have a look, see what the problem is. And my chips just arrived. I can't believe. Well, you would have to have seen the right video to know what I'm talking about. Anyway, don't even know why I mentioned it. Will that be here? No, it looks like it's not on body. Maybe on chassis. What? It's gonna have to be in there. I must have missed it. Right, airbag, papoo, lower. It's gonna have to be that one. Ah, crap. It's not a law here. Stored in current. Okay, so low batteries. So stored in current. The number of blockage of the left seat belt extender is exceeded. Seat belt extender, I'm sure, is these little things that brings the seat belt forward. Don't know if that would cause anything. Stored in current. Limit switch down off the roll bar. Cannot, head restraint cannot be switched. Limit switch down of the roll bar and left rear. Left, right, left rear. Head restraint cannot be switched. Okay. It's gonna clear these codes to start with. And see if they are real codes, because Okay, let's gonna turn the ignition off 10 seconds and wait. If we do have to, will my plug in the star? Will my help us out a little bit? Let's start this again. Engineer's running again. Let's press OK. Right, no faults detected. So let's go to live data. Hydraulic pump, soft toe, convertible, compartment cover. Yeah, so that's the cover. So convertible top compartment is closed. Yes. No, convertible compartment is in catch position. Component. There's no, not sure why you should show in there, to be fair with you. Limit switch soft top down. Okay. Usually these things is where they fail, is in these little switches and limit switch locking pole trunk lead. No. Trunk lead opened. Pole off trunk lead. Okay, I'm not gonna be here boring you with looking at live data unless I see something that is really obvious. Here it tells me ignition on, so it's all yeses. Is all yeses. Okay. Compartment of bottom head. Okay, so here is the restraints again. So it looks like that's why it's causing my problem. Okay, so actually it looks like that's where's my problem. Okay, so component S52/8 and /9, and again this is my head, is why I was faulting. Bottom left head restraint limit switch. Okay, so it looks like there's something to do with the headrests or head restraint limit. Let me figure out what this is first. And again, guys, this is where the star would be very, very helpful, because it will show me straight away what this is. Let me see if Google shows me what this is, and then we'll move from there. Yeah, this is the first time I'm working on one of these, so just bear in mind with me. Let's gonna find out why this says no when it should say yes. Right, a quick Google search didn't show anything, but honestly I didn't search for too long, because the first thing I came across was a picture of these headrests, and one of the things I've seen on the picture is that these headrests, they should not be all this way up. Yeah, so yeah, I found a picture that's showing these headrests all the way down. And that obviously goes with our fault for the headrest switch. So I think these headrests needs to go down. How do they go down? I don't know. I'm gonna have to investigate, and I will show you once I know. Okay, looks like in order to push these headrests down again, I'm gonna have to press. I have the camera in there. It looks like I'm gonna have to put something in this little hole here, push it down, and at the same time push the headrest down. So that's what it looks like. There's one here and one on the other side. I believe is that. Let me check the other side. Grab this. I can't really put nothing on this side, can I? That's too tight. Oh, hold on. Is that lever in that corner in there? Perhaps. No, I don't think it's this. That little lever in there, perhaps. Down there. It doesn't seem like it. Makes more sense to be in the other corner, to be fair. So I'm gonna try to get something to do this and push these headrests down, lock them in place, and then hopefully we should have a working rooftop again. Okay, and I got a wire. Obviously I had to straighten a little bit. I'm gonna use the camera in place just to guide me so I can get the wire in the right place. I'm sure Mercedes does have a tool with a part number and all that crap. Let me see. Oh, that way. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna get that there. It's not easy. Yeah, there is a switch. Can you see the switch? Going up and down. Okay, let's kind of press. Come on. Let's press that down. See if I can. Oh. Oh, let me push the camera up because it looks like the camera's going to be trapped in there. Oh, come on. Ah, crap. Everything just came off from where it should be. I didn't lock them in place. Let me put the camera again. Looks like I need to keep pressing until it goes all the way down. Otherwise it doesn't lock in place. Do I have room now? Come on, just a little bit. Come on, go back in there. That's done. Oh dear me. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Anyway, one is down. So that's their position. Camera just came out. Now it's in place. Let's just quick look at my live data. And there we go. Look at that. So now we need to do the other side. So I'm going to do the other side, same procedure, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, both are done. Oh, come on. Now just so you probably have seen where I had the camera. I thought it would be like these will be here and then this one would be in the middle, but it's not. It actually looks like they use the same mechanism inside, which means obviously on this side the tab, the push pin, whatever is on this side, and on that side it's going to be on that side. So just bear that in mind. Let's just gonna make sure. Let me disconnect actually the camera. Let's just gonna check the car. Where's the car? The car is there. Should have both saying yes. There we go. So that's better. Now let's gonna sit in the front seat and have a go. See if it works. Okay, moment of the truth. Let's gonna try this. And there we go. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Ooh. Stop if operation. Just closing the windows. That's it. Worked beautiful. One thing that I'm gonna do regardless, I'm gonna try to close now. One thing that I'm going to do, there you go. Definitely is going to be lubricate all these latches and stuff and hinges, and so we're going to do all that in a minute. Just want to make sure he cycles okay. So indeed the headrests were preventing the top from opening and close. Some sort of safety feature, I guess. Obviously they are triggered in case of a rollover. They open to obviously protect the rear passengers, occupants, but they were already open, so theoretically they were already in a safe position, but I think the system wants to see them closed in order to work. That's how it was designed, and that's how it works. So looks like we have a fix. As I said, I'm gonna open the roof like sort of halfway as sort of in stage, and lubricate hinges, switches, whatever it needs to be lubricated. I'm going to do it. Don't know for how long this roof has not been operated, but we got it fixed, we got it repaired. I'm going to just very quick, oh dear me, do a scan on this and make sure we have no faults. Let me do it like that so there is no glare. No faults detected. Boom, there we go. So I'll do a quick scan on the entire car now, just because the car is here, and I'll clear all the codes, but that doesn't really matter for this particular video. So with no further ado, guys, I think we do have a fix, and this is repaired. So if you have this issue, that's one of the things you can look at. Yes, I didn't even need the maxi assist, to be fair with you, maybe just for the camera. If I knew at the start that those headrests would have to be down, that could be a clue straight away that the headrest should be in that position. I didn't know, guys. It only rang some bells when I've seen a picture as I was googling for this. I've seen that picture with the headrests down, and I thought, those are up, so that might be a problem there. Something simple in the end, guys. Still, I will share these with you just in case. And with no further ado, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope there's some information that you can find useful. Hope it helps. If you do still have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And like always, thank you for watching.